Many times, developers talk about this question, what is the difference between this string and this string. So in other words, what is the difference between the string with the capital S and the string with the small s. So in this video, we'll try to demonstrate, what exactly these two things are. Okay. So what I'll do is, first, let me just go and create a variable with name of the capital string, and let me give a value here called a shiv. In the same way, let me take the small string and create a x2 variable, and let me give a value as shiv here. And let me just go and put a debug point. So let me put a debug point here, and let me execute this. So you can see basically both of these strings are operating exactly in the same way. In other words, if I see x1, it also has a value shiv. If I see x2, it also has a value shiv. And I can do all the operations. For example, if I look at x2, I can go and check the length. I can basically go and check max value, etc. In the same way, if I look at x1, it also has all those methods which the small string has. So again, coming back to the same question. So what is the difference between the capital string with the capital S, the string with the capital S, and the string with the small s? So let me just stop this program here. Now let me hover my mouse onto the small string. Now you can see this, when I hover my mouse on the small string, it is telling me that this string actually points to system.string, which is a capital S string. You can see over here, this one is a capital S string here, right? In other words, the small string, the string with a small s, is nothing but it's just an alias for the capital string S. Okay, so in other words, you can call any of them, and irrespective of what it is, it will actually point to the same string class. Okay. Now the thing doesn't end here. Now there are lots of aliases, like how we have the string and string. So some of these aliases are, so the boolean can, the boolean is alias for the capital boolean, the byte is alias for the capital byte. In the same way, you can see some other weird aliases. For example, int is actually alias for int32. So in other words, either you use int to declare an integer variable, or you use int32. It is one and the same thing. In the same way, we have unsigned int, which is actually equivalent to unsigned int32. So next time, whenever you get such kind of situation where you think that both of the data types are actually pointing towards the same thing, just try to hunt if there are any kind of aliases. So I hope that this video was useful. In this video, we were trying to understand that what is the difference between a string with a small s and a string with a capital S. So summarizing, they are nothing but aliases. The small string, the string with a small s, is nothing but it's an alias for the capital string.